Hello. I wanted to come to tell you today about oracle cards. So one of my ladies that is in my Moon Sisters group that lives in America got in touch and asked what oracle cards were. So she was looking on the internet and it said that they're demonic, which made me smile. But I can understand why those kind of things come up, because I know that I grew up as a Christian when I was up until I was 16, and those kind of things were deemed as demonic because of tarot and things like that. Anyway, this is my set of oracle cards that I've designed myself. So each set comes in a beautiful box, and I've got a lovely sticker on the front of my artwork that says "Fill your world with love." So these cards are designed for positivity in mind, and love, and just nice things. And every oracle card really is like that, and even tarot cards. I use tarot cards as well, and there's like a myth that they're all like demonic and stuff. And I think it's depends on it's up to the person that's using them. If they're a kind, good, genuine person with good thoughts in their hearts and everything, and then it's all done for kindness. If you're not a nice person, then it's not a nice thing, is it? So basically, oracle cards, you can use them every day, you can use them once a month, you can use them whenever you want. I use different packs, and say like I have a pack that's for my altar that I use every day. I just pull a card and see, and it's almost like a nice little message really, to see what's going on. But you can also pull them if, say for example, you had a job interview coming up, or if you wanted to change career or move to a different area or something. You could kind of like ask in your head, like what's the answer, what's the decision, or whatever. So basically what you do is you get a set of them. My ones are all different, and my artwork, so on each one you'll see there's totally different artwork, and each one has got a little bit of typing on it, and it'll tell you what it is. So that one's delight, like Dotty Delightful. So what you need to do is you need to knock on them 3 times to get out the energy from yesterday, or if somebody else has used them, to get their energy out as well. And I also like to blow them. This is just my thing, you don't have to do this, and other people probably don't do this either, but I just like to blow them, and I imagine that all the energy is out and dispersed, so we're ready to start afresh. And then we shuffle the cards. Now if you're shuffling the cards and one jumps out as you're shuffling, that's the card that you need to pick for that day. I just dropped a load of them. I didn't mean that to happen. Let me just get them. Oh, actually, very weirdly, a lot dropped on my skirt, and there's just one dropped on the floor. So there we go. So if one falls out, that's what you do. So I'm going to use that one, and that one is Celebrate. So, but if one doesn't fall out on the floor, that was like perfect timing. What you do is turn the cards over so you can't see what they are, and you can either spread them out like this in your hands, and you just tune in, and you're just tuning yourself inside and listen to your intuition. And that's kind of the silent thing. So have you ever been walking down the street and you've thought, oh, I need to go that way, and you don't know why you need to go that way, you just do. That's your intuition. Or if you meet someone and you think, I don't like this person, that's your intuition. So it's the same kind of thing. Tap into that and just think, which card am I drawn to today? So, and then you pick a card. The other way of doing it is you can make a spread like this, and you can pick like that as well. You can do a 1 card draw like that, or if you wanted to do one for the whole month, you could pick 3. So the first one that you pick is for your past, what's just happened. The second one you pick is for now, for what's going on, and the third one is for your future. And then you get out your book. So each book is handmade by me. Each one is different. Everyone's completely different. And I make these myself, and then inside you will find that there's typed out information about each card, Now, I have done this myself. I kind of tuned in and did a bit of a reading myself, and then thought, right, what does that card mean to me? So every single one has got its own meaning, and every single one is come from my heart and from my soul. So let's see. So we got celebrate today. So celebrate. So here we go. So you read out now what it says. So celebrate is celebrate yourself, your business, your achievements, your life, even if it's not quite perfect yet. Celebrate it all anyway. You are so supported by... Oh, You are so supported, my love. I was going to say by my love, but you are. Everything around you conspires to fill you with the confidence to go forward and do whatever you want. You are truly already amazing. A miracle that you are here in this time, right now in this universe. Give yourself the presents you deserve, and even on the days where it feels too much to even get dressed, celebrate that you are alive. This card also represents praise, religion, and exaggeration. So that's what you do, and that's all oracle cards are. And each set of mine, so you get a set of cards, you get a handmade booklet, you get a little letter that I've typed out for you, and you get this lovely card. And I had these made on Moo. Moo's a really good company, and they feel really lovely. And that's my Positivity Oracle deck. And you also get a postcard of my original art, and this is velvet lined in this box. So that's what my oracle cards look like. That's how you use them. They're just for fun, they're just filled with love, and they just have nice messages in them. They're nice for guidance. They're nice if you're quite unsure of what you're doing or where you're going. And that's all they are. So I thought I'd explain to you what they are and what you do with them. I sell these on my website and also on my Etsy shop as well. So the £25 including postage, and or the £22 if you wanted to collect them from my house, if you know me personally and you want to pop along and collect them. They do take up to 2 weeks to make, because as I said, I've got to get I get all these printed and I cut them out all myself, and it's really nice. It's on Tintoretto paper, which is like a textured card, and I also make these all myself. So I cut out every page myself, and I print out everything and stick them all in as well. So they do take up to 2 weeks from when you order them. So that is my Positivity Oracle deck. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. I just wanted to mention, do you like my new glasses? I got these today. They're for reading, because I kept doing this. Like every time I went in the supermarket, I couldn't see what anything was. So I got these today, and now everything's massive. It feels like really good for reading. So that's it. I hope that was really helpful. Take care.